Hello survivors, today I'm going to show you how to farm the green zone chest, but before that you should be prepared like this. You just need a spear and a backpack. You do not need any food or any armor guys with you, and you should equip the healer skill, which is this one. As you can see, you have to go out here and tap on this curer skill, but I call it healer. You have to get this curer, okay guys, and that's it. You need only these three things with y'all. And now let's go towards the green zone. I would recommend to go towards the green forest zone, which is this one guys, and not towards the stone zone, because towards stone zones there will be players, and towards the forest zones there will be not many players. So you will get to farm the chests very easily. So you should go towards the forest, but it's your wish. You can go towards the stone as well, it's not bad, but there is a high chance of the chest being already looted, and there is a low chance of chest being looted out here. So that's why I'm going on towards the forest zone guys. So let's get into it. So when you enter, first of all, just go towards the middle. Just try to go towards the middle and find a chest. As you can see in the map, I've already found the two chests, and first of all, let's just kill the zombies surrounding it. I call it zombies, you can call it enemies or anything guys, but I play Last Day on Earth and I play Grim Soul. That's why I call it like zombies. So yeah, I found two chests. There are always three chests in the green zone, guys. Always. So I found two. I need to find one more. So let's see what's inside the first one. Okay, looting up fast. Here we go. Oh my freaking god, dragon scales, awesome. And guys, remember, you have to take each and everything within the chest, but if you do not need it, you can just delete it like this, but do not leave the things behind in the chest, otherwise the zone will not reset for you guys. So remember, you have to always clear the chest out. Even if you do not need that stuff, just delete it. And now let's go on towards the second chest. Let's just kill this dragon. And first of all, I need to heal up, and always collect berries as well. They will help you out in healings. Okay, nice. Now let's loot this one. This is a bigger chest. This is the main chest, which you will find good loot within it. Oh my freaking god, again 3 dragon scales. Very awesome, dude. Okay, like I do not need water, so I'll just delete it, and let's take this chains. Yeah, chains are also very helpful. So now it's time to find the third chest. The zombies will attack me, so I'll attract one. Okay, wolf, I'll just kill him. Okay, nice. Let me just take the meat, because I require the meat, guys. I have to do Odins and tombs and all those stuff, that's why. Where is the... Okay, I found the third chest. As you can see in the mini map out there, there is the third chest. You just need to kill the zombies surrounding it, guys, and no one else. When you're farming chest, just focus on the chest and just focus on the enemies that are surrounded near the chest. That's it. Oh my freaking god, I got 2 leather strips. Let's freaking go. Do not need the water, do not need the pickaxe. Okay guys, we found the 3 chests, and we have emptied all the 3 chests. So now it's time to go outside the zone, and the zone will reset, guys. Let's go with the flow. Okay, yeah, don't focus on killing the enemies, guys. Just run towards the outer side. Just escape the zone. That's it. We are out. Here we are again, guys. Now it's time to find the 3 chests in this zone. This is definitely resetted. Okay, there are so many zombies out here. Need to find another way where I can go through. No, this zombie will be attracted towards me. Why weak dragon? Why me? Dang it. Okay, found the first chest. There are 2 zombies surrounding it, so you have to take the zombies one by one, guys. Do not attract all of them at once, and I did a big mistake of attracting all of them, because you will take too much damage if you attract like many zombies towards you. That's why. Okay, he's down. Let's heal up. First of all, let's focus on healing. We do not need to die out here, guys. Okay, no zombies surrounding it. Now let's sneak and go towards the box. I hope I get some meat or something to heal up. Let's see. If I get bandages also, that would be very awesome. Oh, finally. Okay, I got the freaking meat. Let's equip that and let's use it, guys. Okay, now we have to find 2 more chests, and we will be done with this zone as well. Let's go with the flow. Where is it? Mostly, guys, you should go towards the middle. You will definitely see it. Okay, I found one box, as you can see in the mini map. Okay, do not need to take this guy down. I need to only focus on this one, guys. Okay, come on. Oh no, why did he get attracted towards me? Okay, I was very much close to him, I guess. Okay, let's heal up. Healing is important. Let's see, what do you have, chest? I hope I can get some weapon. That would be very awesome. No, I got the meat again. Awesome. Let's go towards the final chest. Where will it be located? That's the main question. Okie dokie, let's just go forward. And I found the final chest, guys, in the minimap. Do not need to kill this guy. Just move forward. Okay, I don't think the wolf will be definitely attracted towards me. And I hate this wolf here. It gives me too much damage. Okay, come on. Come on towards me. I'll kill you ASAP. Okay, time to heal up first of all. Do not want to die. And let me take your meat, guys. Whenever you kill an animal, always collect their meats, because that's very much helpful when you do Tomb or Odins or like PvP. And I got some more meat. Awesome. Awesomeness is awesomeness for me. Now let's get out of this zone. Do not want to attract anyone. Just want to go out peacefully. Okay, no one is attracted towards me. Nice. Let's run. Do not get attracted, otherwise I'll kill you. Okay, I'll just quickly collect this. Oh, nice. The wolf did not get attracted, but before going out, guys, I need to kill this wolf because meat is very important for me right now. That's why. Come on, give me your meat. Oh, there is the freaking deer also. Moose, actually, not deer. I call it deer. Dang it. Why? Why do I do that? Come on, moose, come out here. Okay, nice. I need the meat from you. Thank you for the meat. May God bless you. So I'll farm for like 30 minutes and I'll show you all the loot that I've gathered within the 30 minutes of farming, guys. So guys, this is the loot that I've acquired within 30 minutes, guys. Now you can farm for 1 hour or 2 hours. It's upon you how much time you have, how much time you can play this game. But yeah, within only 30 minutes, guys, I got so much loot. Especially I got this 3 weapons. I got this Raiders boot and I got this stun grenade also. Like, the top row is freaking awesome within my backpack. So that's it for the tips, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed, and if you all did enjoy, do leave a like, and if you are new out here, guys, do subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you all next time. So still then, take care, peace.